गुड इवनिंग लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, स्वागत है आप सभी का इस फेसबुक लाइव में। मेरा नाम है बादशाह रे और मैं आपको आज ले चलूंगा एक राइवलरी की कहानी पर। मतलब एक किस्सा सुनाता हूं आपको आज। ये राइवलरी है ईस्ट कोस्ट वर्सेस वेस्ट कोस्ट की। नहीं, मैं यूएसए की बात नहीं कर रहा हूं। बात हो रही है इंडिया की, बात हो रही है इंडियन प्रीमियर लीग की इस एक खास राइवलरी की। हेड टू हेड अगर बात करूं तो अभी तक इस राइवलरी में जो वेस्ट कोस्ट की साइड है वो 19 मैचेस जीत चुकी है और जो ईस्ट कोस्ट की साइड है वो सिर्फ 6 मैचेस जीत चुकी है। I'm sure you must be getting confused about what exactly am I talking about and which two sides am I speaking of. Well, if you haven't guessed it by now, then ladies and gentlemen, let me welcome you to yet another IPL live stream of DNAindia.com. Joining me today, as always, is my good friend and the cricket pundit Siddharth Vishwanathan from DNAindia.com. And today we will be discussing the East Coast versus West Coast rivalry of Indian Premier League because tonight we have the Kolkata Knight Riders taking on the Mumbai Indians. Suswagatam Siddharth Vishwanathan. How you feeling?
वणक्कम केम छो मजामा कसे आहात खूब बालो यस इट इज एक राइवलरी कहना इसको इज एक्चुअली नॉट राइट बहुत ही लॉपसाइडेड राइवलरी है इट इज सो वन साइडेड कि लगता है दैट ओनली वन टीम कम्स आउट टू प्ले इन द पार्क इट्स नो जोक 25 games Mumbai have won 19 only 6 times Kolkata Knight Riders have won in the entire 12 years of the IPL against the Mumbai Indians. 2014 को छोड़कर Kolkata Knight Riders have never beaten Mumbai twice in an edition. 2014 में they won both editions, मतलब both matches. That is a nightmare. Kolkata Knight Riders are in the middle of a huge nightmare against the Mumbai Indians. It's unbelievable.
और अगर हम stats की बात करें तो since 2013 Kolkata Knight Riders have managed to win just one single game. You know, for 7 consecutive matches, they were defeated, they were beaten by Mumbai Indians. And only after Andre Russell's brilliant performance in 2019 at Eden Gardens were they able to break the losing streak. But yet again, जब जरूरत थी जीतने की, जब मैच क्रूशियल था, जब वो मैच जीतना बहुत जरूरी था प्लेऑफ्स में जगह बनाने के लिए, that was the time when KKR failed to gain victory. They failed to win the match, and because they lost to Mumbai Indians, they weren't able to make it to the playoffs. But anyway, ये कहानी तो 2019 की है, अब नया चैप्टर है, नई कहानी है, नया सीजन है, and ये सीजन है 2020 का, the 13th edition of Indian Premier League. आज मुकाबला है दो आर्च राइवल्स का। मैदान सेट है अबू धाबी। वेल, अबू धाबी की अगर बात करें तो मुंबई इंडियंस को तो एक कहते हैं ना कि दे हैड देयर टेस्ट ऑफ डिफीट। द फर्स्ट मैच दैट दे प्लेड अगेंस्ट चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स, दे लॉस्ट द गेम एंड नाउ they'll be raring to go like a wounded tiger. They'll be raring to get back into the field and make a winning start to their campaign.
Yes, I mean, this is a new chapter. अभी जो हो गया है हो गया है. You have to continuously win 4 or 5 IPLs to catch up with Mumbai Indians. लेकिन दिनेश कार्तिक has got a chance. अबू धाबी है, UAE है. In the UAE, Mumbai Indians have lost 6 consecutive games. And they lost one game to Kolkata Knight Riders in 2014. Same venue.
Right.
तो वो थोड़ा बहुत एक कॉन्फिडेंस है। देखो, मुंबई इंडियंस डू नॉट हैव द एडवांटेज ऑफ द वानखेड़े। उनका जो सेंटिनल होता है, दैट सेंटिनल एंड दैट फोर्ट, दे डोंट हैव दैट एडवांटेज। कोलकाता नाइट राइडर्स का ईडन गार्डन्स डज नॉट, मतलब वो भी नहीं है एडवांटेज फॉर रोहित शर्मा। रोहित शर्मा अगर ईडन गार्डन्स में आते हैं, ही जस्ट गोज मैड। सो नाइदर अवे एडवांटेज फॉर मुंबई इंडियंस, नाइदर होम एडवांटेज फॉर मुंबई इंडियंस। सो कोलकाता नाइट राइडर्स, एंड इतना अर्ली इन द टूर्नामेंट, when they are just, मतलब पहला झटका लगा है। कोलकाता नाइट राइडर्स अभी खेल रहे हैं। दिनेश कार्तिक ने बोला, इट्स अ ब्लेसिंग इन डिसगाइज दैट वी आर प्लेइंग देम सो अर्ली, सो ही नोस समथिंग दैट वी डोंट नो।
Okay. So talking about today's match, let's talk about the lineups. Our two teams are raring to go. So starting off with Mumbai Indians, do we see any changes in the lineup today?
I have a feeling that they may get an Ishan Kishan in place of Saurabh Tiwari. I think Ishan is not fit. That's why he didn't play in the first match. Otherwise, he was a sure slaughter in the side.
Okay.
Ishan Kishan is not available, was not available for the Chennai Super Kings game, so he might slot in place of Saurabh Tiwari. Perhaps, if Rohit Sharma has to take a risk, get Mitchell McClenaghan in instead of Trent Bolt. Maybe. Those are the only two changes that I think might happen in the Mumbai Indians side.
And what about Nathan Coulter?
Yes.
What kind of, like, is he match fit? Because we saw him practicing with the team, but there are speculations around his fitness.
See, he was practicing with the team, but I don't think he's match fit enough to get into the side at this point in time. And with James Pattinson performing really well in the first match, I think there is no place for Coulter-Nile. So basically, either you get Mitchell McClenaghan, the more attacking option than Trent Bolt, or don't or keep the same bowling lineup. Only changes Ishan Kishan coming in place of Saurabh Tiwari. That is the only change I think that might happen.
That might happen. All right, moving on to the Korbo Lorbo Jitbo, the KKR, the Knight Riders. What do you think? What kind of a lineup they'll be starting their series with?
Well, firstly, I would like to say that Kolkata Knight Riders will be incredibly glad that the players' quarantine has finally ended. Owen Morgan, Pat Cummins, 15.5 million Pat Cummins, Tom Banton, all their quarantines ended yesterday. So they are all available for selection. This Kolkata Knight Riders team is really a good mixture of youth and experience. I mean, youth, they have got 3 members from the under-19 squad of 2018 that won the World Cup. So Shubman Gill will start. My predicted 11 might be, if this is how I would like to think as a captain, Shubman Gill, Sunil Narayan, Nitish Rana, Dinesh Karthik, Owen Morgan, Andre Russell, Dre Russ. Then you will have probably Kuldeep Yadav, Pat Cummins, Kamlesh Nagarkoti, Shivam Mavi, and if you want one of the backup spinners, maybe Varun Chakravarti. Maybe. The unknown Varun Chakravarti.
Okay. So there's a lot of young talent out there to watch out for. और आज के मैच में खासकर यंग टैलेंट्स की तो भरमार है. अगर हम दोनों साइड्स की बात करें तो मुंबई इंडियंस में जहां राहुल चहर है, ईशान किशन है, तो वहीं कोलकाता नाइट राइडर्स के पास है शुभम मावी, कमलेश नागरकोटी और शुभमान गिल. What do you expect out of Shubman Gill's performance tonight?
I mean, I really want to see. Shubman Gill has been very consistent in the IPL. He did very well in 2019. But I really want to see Kamlesh Nagarkoti and Shivam Mavi go out there and bowl 90 miles per hour or even 87, 86 miles per hour. These two boys have really been hit hard by injuries in the last couple of years. Mavi played a couple of games in 2018, but yet he succumbed to that injury, and back stress fractures are a death knell for bowlers. It takes a lot of recovery and lot of patience to get over that. Kamlesh Nagarkoti, unfortunately, has not played in 2 editions of the IPL whenever he was picked. But kudos to KKR for keeping the faith in him, for ensuring that, okay, he's part of our team in the future. I just hope these two boys go out there, perform, like bowl fast. And they have Pat Cummins, who can also bowl equally fast. So 3 big pacers coming in. Then you have Dre Russ, obviously. आज तो Dre Russ ने एक कांच तोड़ दिया यार. Yesterday while practicing, he broke a glass. He is the brute. He is the brute.
The mighty
so Dre Russ. Yes. And if Dinesh Karthik wants to make this match out of Mumbai Indians' hand, bat Dre Russ at number 3 for the whole tournament. Guarantee. David Hussey sahi keh raha hai. If he sticks in, 200 maar sakta hai. That is the power of Dre Russ. And in the practice sessions, it's coming right out of the middle of the bat. So, bowlers, I will keep a silent prayer in mind for you guys.
Okay. So that was the lineup for tonight's encounter. That's the probable lineup there for you guys. Let me take some comments on this juncture. Joining us is Chobi Shorkar Roy. She is writing, hello, Bacha, and said, hello, ma'am. Tarun is writing, hola, hola, Tarun, hola. Today's prediction, yes ma'am, we will be coming to that also. Rahul Singh is writing, hello Badshah. Hi Rahul, कैसे हैं आप? Hope आप आज का मैच enjoy करें क्योंकि जबरदस्त टक्कर होने वाली है कोलकाता नाइट राइडर्स और मुंबई इंडियंस के बीच में, और देखते हैं कौन जीतता है ये मुकाबला. Rahul is also writing, nice to see you again at DNA Live. Thank you so much. Who do you think can be a game changer for today's game? All right, game changers. Well, अभी अगर आपने हमारा कॉन्वर्सेशन सुना हो गौर से तो आपको पता चल ही गया होगा कि कौन कौन से वो खिलाड़ी हैं जो मैच बदल के रख देंगे. मैच बदलने की जहां तक हम बात कर रहे हैं सिद्धार्थ, एक बहुत ही अहम हिस्सा है मैच का द ग्राउंड, द पिच. सो हमने देखा था अबू धाबी में जब चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स और मुंबई इंडियंस के बीच में मैच हुआ तो द पिच वाज ग्रीन, देयर वाज टू मच ग्रास ऑन इट. So are we expecting a similar pitch in tonight's encounter?
देखिए, there will be some grass to hold the pitch together. मतलब ये कोई हेडिंगली या लॉर्ड्स जैसा venomous pitch नहीं होगा wherein swing, seam, bounce होगा. Yes, there will be a bit of early assistance for the bowlers, but it will come on very nicely to the bat. And it might be a different pitch on which we play. याद रखिए, there are 6 adjacent strips, so हर strip alternatively use किया जाएगा in every venue. So it will be a good wicket to bat on. I think we may see a total of 170, 180. उस दिन तो 166 किया था, 160, 165. But आज थोड़ा ज्यादा रहेगा because there are too many power hitters in the side. Right. याद रखिए, it will, अगर game changers की बात कर रहे हैं, it will be Dre Russ versus Hardik Pandya. Okay. दो लोग who hit sixes for fun, just for fun. आएंगे मारेंगे, आएंगे मारेंगे. आज का मैच, if it doesn't live up to that 6 hitting spree जो हमने राजस्थान रॉयल्स और चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स में देखा, I would be very very surprised. रोहित शर्मा 6 hitting machine, Dre Russ 6 hitting machine, Owen Morgan 6 hitting machine, हार्दिक पांड्या, कृणाल पांड्या, all big hitters. तो अबू धाबी में आज धूम मचेगा भाई. वेदर फोरकास्ट आज भी गलत है. It said dry and cloud, partly cloudy with no rain. आज बारिश होगी, but बरसात नहीं, छक्कों की बारिश होगी.
छक्कों की बारिश होगी. भाई साहब क्या बात कह दी आपने सिद्धार्थ हैं. आपने तो मतलब रोमांच में और ज्यादा कहते ना हींग और फिटकरी मिला दी. तो ये तो था पिच रिपोर्ट. नाउ द मोस्ट क्रूशियल पार्ट, द टॉस. सो इफ ईदर ऑफ द साइड विंस द टॉस, व्हाट शुड दे डू?
Bat. My philosophy is always, as I said, bat. If Kolkata Knight Riders win the toss, they will bat. Because अगर आप देखेंगे, उनका जो 6 wins है, 4 have come while batting against Mumbai Indians. 4. So right. Better bat first and put the opposition under scoreboard pressure. I think Mumbai Indians will also want to bat first and take the game away from them. Because unless their bowlers perform, which I think they will after the drubbing that they got at the hands of Chennai Super Kings, if their bowlers can perform and if Rohit thinks कि ठीक है, there is a bit of assistance on offer, then he might want to bowl. But मेरा philosophy है bat first, put the opposition under scoreboard pressure. जैसे राजस्थान रॉयल्स चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स का हुआ था.
Right. Also हमने जो last 2 encounters देखे उसमें batting first side were able to win, like be it RCB versus the Sunrisers Hyderabad or the last night's encounter between Rajasthan Royals and Chennai Super Kings. In both the encounters, we saw the team batting first had an advantage. Also, the Delhi Capital game against Kings 11 Punjab was a close one. In that too, Delhi Capitals batting first had an advantage. Like you rightly pointed out that if you're batting first, you'll always have that little bit of an advantage of manipulating the bowlers, the fielding at your own will, rather than when you're chasing it. So let's see what happens.
Of 4 matches, 3 have been won by the side batting first.
Exactly. So let's see what happens. That was the toss. So finally, your score prediction and who do you think is going to be the winner of tonight's encounter?
A score prediction, I would say anywhere in the range of 170, 180, ideal. But if Dre Russ goes mad, then even 230, 240 might be possible.
My God, 230, 240.
If Dre Russ goes mad,
there's a big
absolutely mad. Yeah. He can do it. I mean, last time he hit 80 or 40 balls against the Mumbai Indians. So it's not impossible for Dre Russ to score at a strike rate of 200, 250. अगर वो पागल हो जाता है, then 230, 240. But otherwise subdued रहेगा, थोड़ा 30 रन मार के out of 10, 12 balls अगर out हो जाता है, then 170, 180 is a good score. And my prediction, I'd be tempted to say Mumbai Indians.
Okay. All right.
Mumbai Indians have got the confidence. They have that bogey advantage कि हमने 19 बार जीता है out of 25 encounters.
Right.
So मैं कहूँगा confidence is with Mumbai Indians. They have already tasted defeat. So that is why they'll be even more determined to come into Kolkata Knight Riders. Lekin I have decided to kind of stop predicting matches after the heartbreak of Rajasthan Royals versus Chennai Super Kings.
Okay.
They threw my predictions absolutely out of the window.
Which is true. Which is true. I wanted to say a lot of things last night, but then मुझे लगा कि आपके अंदर का जो चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स का फैन है वो काफी हर्ट और इमोशनल होगा, तो मैंने कहा नहीं. लेकिन हाँ, कल के मैच में जैसा कि आपने भी कहा था कि if we are surprised, then be ready to get surprised. If there is a surprise, then be ready to get surprised. So I guess that's what IPL is all about. If there is a surprise, then be ready to be surprised, because tonight's encounter is a mouth-watering one. It's like I mentioned in the beginning of the live stream, that it is East Coast versus West Coast rivalry. And so far, head-to-head, out of 25 games that have been played between Mumbai Indians and Kolkata Knight Riders, Mumbai Indians lead by 19-6. So out of the 25 matches, Mumbai Indians so far have won 19 games. And KKR have managed to win only 6 matches. Let's see if that head-to-head will change tonight to 19-7 or 26. That we have to leave it on the match, and let's see how the match pans out. वो कहते हैं ना कि ये तो आने वाला वक्त ही बताएगा कि आखिर फाइनली जीतता कौन है. लेकिन हम भी होंगे, जैसे ही मैच खत्म होगा लाइव होंगे हम भी dnaindia.com के ऑफिशियल पेज पर. तो प्लीज आप आइएगा, हमें ज्वाइन कीजिएगा अपने कमेंट्स के साथ. Thank you so much to all our viewers, to all our listeners for joining us on this IPL live stream. This is Siddharth Vishwanathan and me, Badshah Ray, signing off for dnaindia.com. See you again on the other side of the match. But till the time we meet again, keep enjoying, keep chilling, and keep loving the game called cricket. Cheers.